Group Captain Varun Singh's last rites will be performed at Bairagad Cremation Ground in Bhopal shortly. His funeral procession, which started from the military hospital, is underway. Group Captain Varun Singh was the sole survivor of a helicopter crash that killed India's first Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat. His wife and others died at an Indian Air Force Command hospital on early Wednesday. Those are visuals that are coming in from Bhopal right now. The final rites of Group Captain Varun Singh will be performed in a short while from now. Appropriate military honours being accorded to the fallen hero. Group Captain Varun Singh was the lone survivor initially of that chopper crash in Kunnur in Tamil Nadu on the 8th of December, which claimed the lives of 13 others, including the first Chief of Defence Staff of India, General Bipin Rawat. Group Captain Varun Singh fought hard for his life, but unfortunately did not survive that battle. My colleague Hemendra is now joining me live from Bhopal. Hemendra, heartbreaking scenes over there. Military honours being accorded to Group Captain Varun Singh.
Well, yes, indeed, heartbreaking scenes. In fact, Group Captain Varun Singh, the final journey began from the Bairagad Military Hospital, and now it has reached the crematorium, and now wreaths are being laid. Full military honours. There's the airmen guard that is there standing on guard, and after these rituals are over, the final last ceremony would be held, and thereafter the final rites would be held. The entire family is over here. Top military and top Air Force brass is also over here, and really somber scenes with lots of tears and everyone in a very somber mood over here.
Absolutely, you can see the gathering over there. So many people who've come out on the streets of Bhopal to pay their last respects to Group Captain Varun Singh. This must be devastating for the family, Hemendra, because he did fight hard for his life for 1 week before, unfortunately, succumbing to his injuries.
Well, indeed, he did battle for his life for 8 days. After the tragic chopper crash that happened on December 8, he was battling for his life. But having said that, he was a fighter, he fought, and not just him, the entire family is a family of defense officers and personnel. In fact, all three wings of the Indian Defence Services, that is the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, they are represented by this family. Colonel KP Singh, the father of Group Captain Varun Singh, he was with the Indian Army. He retired as a colonel and Group Captain with the Indian Air Force, and his younger brother is with the Indian Navy. So they are a family of defense personnel. Before they send their kids to the Indian Army, Navy or Air Force, these defense personnel and officers do realize the risk, and that is why, despite the fact that very heartbreaking scenes are very tough for the family, but the resolve is still there. They are still resolute, and obviously the loss is there. You can never make up for the loss, because Group Captain Varun Singh was very young. He was a very bright officer. He had got the Shaurya Chakra for saving the Tejas, and he had a long and a bright career ahead of him, and that's why probably there's a lot of grief and pain and anger as well, but finally the resolve is there, and also the family is firm, and also the Indian Defence Services, the Air Force in particular, stands firmly behind the family.
Right. Hemendra, for the benefit of our viewers, if you can tell us a little bit about the career of Group Captain Varun Singh. You did mention about that incident that we've been reading a lot about since this tragic accident, about him saving the Tejas.
Well, Group Captain Varun Singh, as we hear and as we gather from his friends and relatives, was a very grounded man. He was a very humble man. In fact, he wrote a letter to his school mates, his juniors in school in Chandigarh, and he told them that it was okay to be mediocre, and he said that he was a mediocre guy in school, but then he rose to what he rose in the Indian Air Force. In fact, the kind of courage that he displayed while trying to protect the Tejas, not caring for his own life, that showed the kind of the way he had been brought up and the way the defense services had molded him. So overall, he was a very courageous, brave and very smart officer. Commanded respect from his juniors and his colleagues, and he was a very simple, down-to-earth man who always thought that he was a mediocre guy, but he actually never was. He was a very bright, shining star who could actually give up his life and in fact put his life on the line of fire. That is what actually he did while he tried to save Tejas. So one of the brightest fighter pilots of the Indian Air Force and a very grounded and a humble man.
A very grounded and a humble man. Those are visuals that are coming in from Bhopal right now of military men from the three services present over there, citizens present over there, family members of course present over there in order to pay their last respects to Group Captain Varun Singh, who lost his battle against the injuries that he'd suffered in that chopper crash on December 8 in Tamil Nadu in Kurnool. He was in fact awarded the Shaurya Chakra, the third highest peacetime gallantry award in India, in October 2020. He was much loved by his peers, his colleagues, those who saw a very, very bright future in him. Given the sort of courage and bravery he's shown in the past as well, they hoped against hope that he would, in fact, show that sort of courage and bravery as well as he fought for his life, which he did. For 8 long days, he fought against the injuries, the burn injuries that he'd suffered in that tragic accident, which cost us the lives of 13 others as well, including General Bipin Rawat. You can see the family members over there present as the city of Bhopal pours out to pay its last respects to Group Captain Varun Singh. Exemplary courage being shown by them. A very young family that Group Captain Varun Singh leaves behind, who held on to a very thin ray of hope that possibly, given the sort of fight that he was putting up for the last 8 days, he would in fact survive. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan there paying his last respects. Those are, of course, visuals now coming in of Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan expressing his condolences to the family of Group Captain Varun Singh. As my colleague Hemendra was pointing out, it is a family which has been serving our forces for a while now. His father was a retired colonel. His brother is in the forces as well, in fact. So it is a family that continues to serve the forces, and as his father said, upon learning of his son's demise that he was a soldier, he fought hard, and the family will continue to be inspired by the sort of gallantry his son had displayed. Group Captain Varun Singh had been conferred with the Shaurya Chakra for displaying that sort of bravery when he tried to, in fact, avert a possible mid-air accident after his Tejas light combat aircraft developed a major technical snag last year. He was conferred with the Shaurya Chakra. He was only in his 40s. It is said that he was also an aspiring astronaut who had applied for India's Gaganyaan manned space mission. He is survived by his wife, his eldest son and daughter. My colleague Hemendra continues to be live with me. He is at that scene where you can see the outpouring of support for the family and the Chief Minister expressing his condolences. Hemendra, this is obviously a family which has given a lot to the forces, will possibly continue to give to the forces as well, but a career cut short, a bright future cut short. Group Captain Varun Singh, only in his 40s, who lost his life, who lost his final battle, given the sort of courage he displayed last year when he tried to save his Tejas light combat aircraft. This is something that they will find hard to recover from.
Well, absolutely. In fact, the Air Force has also said that, and there are army people also here in Bhopal who have been saying this, that he was one of the brightest officers, the most daring officers, and one of the most daring fighter pilots of the Indian Air Force. The fact that he rescued and saved Tejas, putting his life in danger, is testimony to that. But not just that. And as you said, that the entire family is in the defense services. Colonel KP Singh, his father, retired from the Indian Army, and he settled down in Bhopal after his retirement, though originally from Uttar Pradesh. And once settled in Bhopal, Group Captain Varun Singh was a regular. He used to visit his parents regularly, and according to his neighbors and people whom he used to interact over here in Bhopal, he was a very, very humble guy and a very, very sharp guy as well. And Indian Air Force officials saying that this was a really bright career that has been cut short. And the fact that he was also the liaison officer of the CDS, General Bipin Rawat, who also lost his life in that tragic chopper crash, is also testimony to the fact that the brightest men were lost, because it's only the brightest people who are given such duties of liaisoning for the CDS or for other senior most officials of the Indian Defence Services.
Absolutely. He was the liaison officer of General Bipin Rawat. With the passing of Group Captain Varun Singh, we've lost 14 people who were on board that chopper which crashed in Kunnur in Tamil Nadu on the 8th of December. Group Captain Varun Singh was the lone survivor of that accident. He was first being treated at the military hospital in Wellington itself in Tamil Nadu before being shifted on December 9 to the command hospital in Bengaluru for better treatment. The best of doctors, both from public and private hospitals, had formed part of the advisory team, which was in fact monitoring his treatment. And they said that he fought hard. He fought hard for 8 days in order to survive this tragic accident. But unfortunately, just a couple of days ago, he lost this final battle. You can see over there the number of people who've poured out, who've come out in Bhopal in order to pay their last respects to Group Captain Varun Singh. He, of course, was the winner of the Shaurya Chakra as well last year, because he did avert a possible mid-air tragedy when he saved his Tejas light combat aircraft, at that time, of course, not caring for his own life. And that was the kind of brave man he was, and the Indian Air Force condoles the loss of such a brave fighter pilot.